Assalamu alaikum. When a Muslim man passes away, his body is treated with the utmost respect and dignity. According to the Hanafi school, following are the steps of bathing of a deceased Muslim man. 1. Preparation before ghusl. Place the body on a clean surface, on a high table or board, under privacy. Cover the awrah, which is the part between the navel and knees. Remove any clothing but keep the awrah covered at all times. The people who will perform ghusl should be pious, same gender, and trustworthy, ideally close male relatives. Use clean warm water and mild soap or sidr, lotus leaves, and prepare camphor or kafoor for the final rinse. Number 2, intention or Niyyah. Make the intention silently. I intend to wash this deceased Muslim man for the sake of Allah, fulfilling the obligation of ghusl. Number 3, the washing steps. 1. Cleaning impurities. Raise the upper body slightly. Gently press the stomach so impurities can exit. Wash away any filth, urine, stool, etc. using gloves, cloth, or hands wrapped in cloth. Do not unnecessarily expose the awrah. Step 2 is wudu, as in ablution. Perform wudu as done for prayer. Wash the face, hands up to elbows, wipe the head and wash feet. Do not rinse the mouth and nose directly. Instead, wipe the lips and nostrils with wet cloth. Step 3 is full ghusl. Wash the right side of the body from head to toe, then the left side. Then wash the head and beard with shampoo or soap. Pour water over the entire body 3 times or more if needed, ensuring no area remains dry. Finally, pour water mixed with camphor in the last rinse. Step 4 is drying. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. Comb hair and beard lightly if needed. Wrap the body in a clean white cloth until ready for shrouding. Is shrouding or tafan for a man. A man's kafan consists of 3 white sheets, all simple, clean, unscented cotton. Izar, which is the lower sheet, covers from head to foot. Qamis, which is a shirt, long up to mid-calf or ankle, open from sides. Lafafa or outer sheet, large enough to wrap completely. Procedure. Lay the 3 sheets one on top of another. Sprinkle perfume, non-alcoholic, between them. Place the body on the sheets. Apply perfume on joints, beard, and chest, as in a sunnah. Fold the left side of each sheet over the body, then the right side. Tie the shroud with 3 or 5 strips, at head, feet, and middle. Finally, the janazah prayer is offered, and he is laid to rest on his right side facing the Qibla, returning to his Lord with honor, purity, and peace.